Okay, guys. So, very good morning to everybody. ABAS students have joined this session or not? Dharmendra, can you please tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
I informed to Yash to inform in your class that ABAS students who is having AWT session have to join this lab batch. Did he informed in your class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, no one informed.
But ma'am,
Okay.
he informed
Yes, sir.
CBETS.
Beta, you already have data mining session, but whosoever is having AWT session, also inform them to join this session. आपको एक लिंक भी शेयर कर देती हूँ, आप उनके साथ शेयर कर दो.
मैम सी बैच है AWT सेशन.
आप TC3 के हो ना?
यस
C बैच का है AWT का सेशन.
यस मैम यस
Okay, so they have joined.
यस
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So both batches are here, na? B batch and C batch. Fine. So we are going to start with our lab session of data mining. In the last lab session, we have discussed various data mining tools. In both of the lab sessions, we have discussed. Yes. In the last session, we have discussed various data mining tools. We have discussed the advantage and limitations of each tool and which tool we should use for the data mining purpose that we had also discussed in the last lab session, if you remember. And I told you to, yes, anybody was saying something? Yes. And I asked, yes, we already discussed, right? Yes. And I told you to make your lab manual to write the first experiment. Have you done that? Your first experiment was explore various data mining tools. So have you make your lab manual? फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लिया आप लोगों ने? यस, सॉफ्ट कॉपी. यस, नो. अदर देन दैट बाकी रक्षित नो. क्यों नहीं किया भाई आप लोगों ने? हाँ, क्यों नहीं किया है? What is the reason? I told you in the last lab session that you have to complete your first experiment. Then what to do? See guys, let me clear you one thing here. Whatever task has been assigned in your lab sessions, that will be your performance in your lab sessions or whatever you are doing in your lab session and your lab manual you are making for after the experiments. These all things will be considered directly into your term work marks. If you're not doing, if you're not completing your work on time, it will reflect in your term work marks. I'm straightly saying it. So make sure that you will complete your things on time. So today, if you forgot, that was the first chance I had given you. I am okay with it now. First and last thing, time I'm saying you this, please make sure that you will complete your things on time. From the next lab session, I will not take it. Is it okay? So we will also do the second experiment today, and after this lab session means on coming Wednesday, you guys need to complete your 2 experiments. I will check both of the experiments. Is it fine? Okay. अगर टाइम पे सबमिशंस नहीं करते हो हर एक एक्सपेरिमेंट का, आई विल नॉट कंसिडर दोज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स इन योर टर्म वर्क मार्क्स. Fine. So our today's task that we are going to start with the second, you can see the list of experiments we are having. First, we are having explore and compare various data mining tools that we had already done. That is your first experiment, right? Second lab experiment we are having. I told you in the discussion that we will going to use Veka tool for the lab sessions, right? So today we are going to install Weka first of all. So I hope everybody is having laptop. Everybody is having laptop. Anybody is there in the class who is not having laptop? Okay, great. So bring your laptops firstly with you. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Whosoever have not logged in through your laptops, bring your laptops quickly. Okay. Now everybody is having laptop with them. What we need to do, firstly we will install Weka. Everybody of you have to install Weka in your system. After that we can able to start with the other things in Weka. We will start other things in Weka tool once you will install the software. I'll show you here. I will also show you one official website from where you should download Weka and install Weka. This is the official website you need to explore. I'll also share this link with you in comment section. You can directly go to that link. Comment box में मैंने link share किया. You can also use that link. So this is the official website, official authenticate URL from where you can download Weka software. You can go here into the downloads part. Other than that, this is requirements is given, documentation part of this software is given. Further information is also given that we will discuss after installation definitely. Firstly, go to the download part. Then here the some stable versions of for each operating systems are given for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, for whosoever whatever the platform you are using accordingly. Download that software, right? I think most of you are using Windows, so it is around 124 MBs. So it will be easily downloaded. Click here to download and install Weka in your laptops. Have you found that website? Yes, start downloading it. Once you download and install Weka in your systems, let me know here so that we can move further. Anybody in your class who had already installed it? कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसने ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल किया है? ध्रुवी, ओके. Priyam, okay. Okay, for others who are remaining with this installation part, download this software from this website and install it. Once you done installation, let me know here. I will check everybody's laptops, everybody's screen after few minutes. So take your time, install this software, then we will move further. Have you downloaded the software? Yes, Abhishek, Dave, Mehak. Priyank,
Yes, ma'am.
done? Have you downloaded?
Mm. Ma'am, net is slow, that's why.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Matt, can you share your screen with me? Yes, Mehak.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, have you done with the installation part, guys? Rutvik, Shivansh, Rakshit, Namish. Yes, have you done the installation? Okay, okay, okay. Take your time. Install this software first. Downloads had been done. Download done. Guys, download हो गया आप लोगों का सॉफ्टवेयर? Anybody who have done the installation part? Or it is still in progress? Yes, Bhumik? And now, okay, downloaded and now installing. Okay. Others done. Abhishek have done. Okay. Still in progress. Few of you I have done. Once done. Okay. Take your time. Abhishek, can you share your screen? Abhishek, can you present your screen? Yes, Shivansh, can you present your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Show me where you have installed.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Show me the tool you have installed. Yeah, correct. Done with. Paritpal, Priyan, have you done? Dhruvi,
Yes, ma'am.
done? Installation part is done, Dhruvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priyan, Dikshit,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
okay. Who are left with installation? I think Pritpal is having okay, I think he had done installation part. Yash is still left. Most of you have done the installation part, right? Few of you having some connection problem, no problem. Dharmender is still left. Dikshit, no. Download is still in progress. Okay, take your time, guys. Some few minutes more I'm giving you. Now it is done. Guys, have you installed now? Yes. Amit? Okay. Dharminder, yes. Channel is still in progress. 81%. Okay. Okay, let me show you when once you complete its downloads and when you will able to install this. So how it will look like and how we will going to use it. Fine. So I'm sharing my screen with you first of all. Once you will download this software and install this software, installation part is very easy. This is not like take so much time. It will just you have to agree to some steps, go to the next and finish the installation part. This is very easiest way, very easiest software to install. So what you need to do now, when you install this software, this is how it look like. The first window when you open this tool, right? So when you open this tool, how it will look like, and you can see that this tool having various applications. On the right side, you can see there are various Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge Flow, Workbench, and Simple CLI. In these applications, we are going to use Explorer here, right? And you can see on the top menu, they are having programs, visualization, tools, and help. I told you that during the discussion that why we are going to use Veka for our lab part, lab session part, that I told you because it gives us a visualization in it. We do not need to use any other tool or any other platform to visualize the things, right? So you can see it will give you the visualization of floats, ROCs, tree visualizers, graph visualizers, boundary visualizers. So when once you install this, this is the window which will look like, fine. So which application we are going to use in data mining, that is Explorer. So when I click on Explorer, another window will open. Let me share that window with you. Yes. So this is how it look like when you open the Explorer part. You can see as we have discussed KDT process in your lectures. We discussed KDT process, and in the KDT process we are mainly having 7 steps. KDT process consists of 7 steps, and first 4 steps include comes under the pre-processing part. Dikshit, I already told you in the last session that first of all, Veka is the simplest tool for the beginners. It is not I'm giving this this is the latest tool we are going to use. This is the simplest tool for the beginners whosoever is having no idea about the data mining or machine learning part. They can also use this software very easily. That's why we are using this one first of all. And I told you in the last session that if you will be familiar with this software very easily, then we can switch to another tools as well. हम बाकी tools भी explore कर सकते हैं. I'm having no problem with it. But once you people will having a flow on this tool, अगर आप एक बार used to हो जाते हो, it you will become familiar with the things. We can switch to another tools as well. Is it fine? Yes. So पहले वेका के बारे में देख लेते हैं. इसमें कैसे काम करते हैं आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. आप लोग तब तक अपने कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट से भी थ्योरी सेशंस में कुछ हम कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ेंगे उनसे भी फैमिलियर हो जाओगे. Then you can switch to another latest tools, or you can say that if you are having a conceptual knowledge, then you can use another tools as well. So I told you in the KDT process that first 4 steps are the pre-processing steps. And can you name these pre-processing steps? In the lectures, we have discussed pre-processing steps. First 4 steps of KDD are pre-processing steps. Can you name them? Tell me quickly. Pre-processing includes data cleaning, then when we pre-process the data, we clean the data. Cleaning means we make the data consistent, we make the data complete, and we remove the noise from the data. We have discussed in KDD process. Pre-processing. Then the first step is yes. Then data transformation. After, before data transformation, we integrate the data.
Data
Right? That is
selection.
data integration. Yes, Dharmendra?
Data selection, ma'am.
Yes, data selection is the last process of data pre-processing. So we are having mainly 4 steps that comes under data pre-processing: data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, and data selection. So you can see here in this window, जब तक हम data को pre-process नहीं करते, we cannot able to apply any of the algorithm on it. हम data पे कोई भी, चाहे मैं clustering की बात करूँ, you can see here in the topmost menu that you cannot able to, these all are blur, you cannot use them without pre-processing. जब तक हम डेटा को प्री प्रोसेस नहीं करते हैं तब तक ना तो मैं क्लासिफिकेशन में कोई एल्गोरिथम यूज कर सकती हूँ, either I can go for the clustering, association, I cannot select any of the attributes and visualize them, right? So once you pre-process the data, only after that you can able to apply any of the algorithms, right? Then you can have these 4 options, right? Pre-processing के लिए पहले मेरे पास data set होना चाहिए. I require a data set. So you can do here many things, like you can open your data set by, अगर for example कोई आपके पास data set है जो आपके पास laptop में ही available है, then you can easily open this file, right? Other option, you can open URL. आपके पास कोई data online available है, कोई source available है online, तो आप उसका URL यहाँ दे सकते हो और उसे open कर सकते हो. आप डेटाबेस से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, कोई भी डेटा, आपको डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी आनी चाहिए. आप डेटाबेस से भी ओपन कनेक्ट करके डेटा यहाँ पर फेच कर सकते हो. एंड लास्ट वन इज यू कैन जनरेट योर आर्टिफिशियल डेटा, मीन्स यू कैन जनरेट योर ओन डेटा सेट्स. दैट आई विल ऑल्सो लेट यू नो हाउ यू विल जनरेट योर डेटा सेट्स. तो ये सब चीजें आप इसमें परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. डिटेल में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी हर एक चीज आपको कैसे करनी है. अब जनरेट कैसे करते हो, दैट आई विल लेट यू नो दैट हाउ यू विल गोइंग टू जनरेट योर डेटा सेट्स. फाइन. First of all, let us open any file here. If I go for the open option, आप जब भी वेका इंस्टॉल करते हो तो वेका इनबिल्ट आपको कुछ फाइल्स देता है, ठीक है? फाइल्स विच इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इनटू योर वेका डेटा सेट्स. आप आपने जहाँ पर भी वेका इंस्टॉल किया होगा, यू हैव टू गो ऑन दैट पाथ in which you are having a folder named that data. Open that folder. Some inbuilt data sets are available into your Weka as well. जैसे ही आप Weka इंस्टॉल करते हो, ये फाइल्स, ये जो डेटा सेट है वो ऑलरेडी आपके पास आ जाएंगे. You can see every data set is having one extension. It is .arff. Extensions पता है ना, जैसे फाइल के एक्सटेंशंस होते हैं, .doc डॉक्यूमेंट, ठीक है? एक्सेल फाइल के एक्सटेंशन होते हैं, पीडीएफ फाइल के एक्सटेंशन होते हैं. जैसे हर एक फाइल्स का, हर एक डेटा का अपना अपना एक्सटेंशन होता है. Do you know that ना? Likewise, for the data mining and machine learning datas, we are having special kind of files with us, which is having extension .arff, means attribute relation file format. अब ये कैसे डिफरेंस है, ये डेटा सेट में ये जो आपका डेटा है, दैट इज एक्सटेंशन वी आर यूजिंग, ये क्या डिफरेंस है इसका एक्सेल फाइल से, और इसे ही हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं मशीन लर्निंग और डेटा माइनिंग में, दैट आई विल आल्सो लेट यू नो, राइट, इन डिटेल. फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी भी हम कौन कौन से एट्रीब्यूट्स यूज करते हैं, एट्रीब्यूट्स के कौन कौन से टाइप्स हो सकते हैं हमारे पास डेटा सेट में, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल. फॉर नाउ आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू एन ओवरव्यू अबाउट दिस टूल आफ्टर इंस्टॉलेशन पार्ट. So for example, if I open this data set here, you can see once I open this data set, this will how it look like. These are the attributes. ये सारी चीजें मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगी कि attributes और instances क्या हैं, ठीक है? फिर ये सब किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है. You can see that this is the visualizations. I told you visualizations आपको available हैं इसमें. Now, once you open this data set, you can able to classify it, perform clustering on it, perform association on it, right? अब सारे के सारे buttons देखो usage में आ गए हैं. You can now, if I want to perform any clustering algorithms, I can choose here from here, right? If I want to perform any clustering algorithm, I can choose from here. If I want to perform any association algorithm, association rule mining I want to perform, it is available here, and so on. So firstly we have to pre-process the data. Pre-processing के लिए हम यहाँ से filters choose करके इनको pre-process करते हैं. That will I will also let you know that how you will pre-process your data set. Fine. So this is a just overview. You can also edit your data set from here as well. You can see this is the data set how it look like. पहला attribute है age, which type, nominal type. I will tell you we are having a types of attributes as well, right? So I think this overview is clear with everybody. Do you have anything to ask here? ओवरव्यू क्लियर है टूल का कैसे यूज करते हैं एक एक स्टेप करके हम सीखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम डेटा सेट जनरेट करना सीखेंगे, फिर आपको मैं प्री प्रोसेसिंग के बारे में बताऊंगी कैसे आप प्री प्रोसेसिंग परफॉर्म कर दो डेटा सेट में बाय यूजिंग दिस वेका. then we will move further by applying some algorithms on it. क्लासिफिकेशन परफॉर्म करना है तो कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे, राइट? क्लस्टरिंग परफॉर्म करना है तो कौन से डेटा सेट पे क्लस्टरिंग कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे, ठीक है? तो ये सब चीजें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लैब्स में. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी इज डन विद द इंस्टॉलेशन पार्ट, राइट? few of you are left with installation, so make sure that before next lab you will complete your installations. एक बार वेका इंस्टॉल हो जाता है आप लोगों के सिस्टम में, then we can move further because we need to use Weka now onwards in the lab sessions. And so make sure that you will bring your laptops during lab sessions with you. Be with your laptops during the sessions and install Weka in your systems during this week if somebody is left with this. Okay? So Weka installation is the second experiment of your lab manual. So before your next lab, means before Wednesday, you need to complete these two practicals. Practical number 1, that is explore different data mining tools, and practical number 2, Weka installation. Weka installation you have to explain step by step. You can take screenshots during installation. अगर installation कर लिया है तो you can uninstall it and take the screenshots again. Otherwise, you will also get the online videos available from where you can take the screenshots of installation part. I don't. Should I explain how you will write the Weka installation? So you can do by yourself. तो ये दोनों experiments, ये दोनों practicals आप लोगों के next lab से पहले complete हो जाने चाहिए. Is it fine? And yes, I will not give you more chance again in the next lab session कि ठीक है अभी नहीं किया भूल गए हैं. Do not forget this time. Okay. Now we are closing this lab session here with the installation part. We will further move to the how to generate data sets and how to pre-process the data set by using Weka. ठीक है, वो सब हम next lab में start करते हैं. Okay, let me take your attendance. PC3 batch B. Yes, batch B, attend your roll calls. Dikshit, Dhara,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahek,
Yes, ma'am.
Pratipal,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
Archit, Janvi,
Present.
Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
Kishan, Dhyan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ruchita,
Present, ma'am.
Raj,
Present.
Dikshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Rakshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Yash,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruvi,
Present, ma'am.
Namish, Shivansh,
Yes, ma'am.
Avinash, Dhruvin,
Ma'am, 194 present. Name is.
94, Avinash, 194 नाम बताओ बच्चे.
Name is.
हाँ, Namish. Okay. Avinash is absent and Dhruv is also absent. Okay. Lab by C. Parth,
Present, ma'am.
Asha, Paritosh,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Asha present.
Mihir,
Yes, ma'am.
Darsh.
Ma'am, 132 present.
हाँ बच्चे डन. दर्श, धैर्य, शुभ, देव, निकिशा, दीप,
Present.
मिहिर.
Ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
151.
ओके. भूमिक,
Yes, ma'am.
इशित,
Present, ma'am.
अभिषेक.
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek, Ishit, have you done installation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohil, Rahul.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, Asha.
Yes, Asha done.
Ma'am,
Present.
Wait. So others are free to leave.